Hello friends, welcome to Tebel's World Recipes. Today, we bring you a very refreshing dish for these summer hot days. We're going to prepare a watermelon salad, Mediterranean style. Did you know that watermelons originated in Africa, especially around the Kalahari Desert in southern Africa? And there is evidence that in Egypt, watermelons were consumed around 5,000 years ago. Isn't that interesting? Now, this salad evolves because around the Mediterranean, normally for breakfast they would give you the sweet watermelon and the salty feta cheese. This salad evolves from that around different areas from Greece, Italy, Persia, Middle East, etc. And depending on the region that you are, you're going to find it with different ingredients. Like some places put olives, some places put cucumbers, some places put onions, other herbs, etc. We're going to prepare a simple recipe today, and it's great for these 90-degree weather days. So let's get cooking. The ingredients we're going to need is half a watermelon, 1 English cucumber, 8 ounces of feta cheese, half a bunch of parsley, 2 lemons, salt and pepper to taste. This recipe is for 4 people. First, we're going to start preparing our watermelon. I like to flip it on the side and then cut it into 1-inch slices and then just get the meat out. You can also peel the core, whatever is your preference. I like to cut the flesh into half-shaped moons and then cube it, but any way works. Once we cube all our watermelon, we're going to put everything in a bowl. Now, we're going to add our cucumber. I have an English cucumber, which I'm going to cut in half, and then both sides into halves again. Once I have my quarters, I'm going to start dicing it. If you want, you can peel the skin. I don't mind the English cucumber. And we're going to add it to the bowl. Now we're going to chop our parsley finely. And we're going to juice our 2 lemons. You can also use limes. Now we're going to add our lemon juice or lime juice, depending on your preference. We're going to season with a little bit of salt and pepper if you like. I'm going to add both. And now we're going to start tossing our salad. We want the cucumber and watermelon to be combined with the lemon juice. Once we have it all tossed, we're going to add our parsley. And now we're going to add our feta cheese. You can cut it into cubes as well. I just like to pull it apart. A little bit more rustic. And then we're going to toss again. We're going to toss gently to keep the chunks of our feta cheese And this salad is ready. Now to plate. I'm going to serve a little bit of salad in a bowl. Oh, it looks so delicious. In my case, I'm going to add a little bit of balsamic reduction just to give it a little bit of tanginess. Quick and easy. Our watermelon salad, Mediterranean style, is ready, and I can't wait to try it. It's good. Super refreshing, perfect for this hot weather days. And that lime and the balsamic that I added at the end, right into the plate up, it's great. Remember, it's a perfect time for you to click on subscribe to our channel. If you want to know when new videos are gonna come up, click on the bell to get notifications. Leave us your comments. Like if you enjoyed this video. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll see you next time.